Hey guys, so the whole saying, if you don't deserve me at my best, no. Okay, gonna redo this one. Hey guys, so the whole saying of if you don't deserve me, if you can't deal with me at my worst, then you don't deserve me at my best. That saying is definitely what we're vibing today, because I appreciate this Barnet. What is going on with this is not working. It's not working for me. It's probably not working for you, but there's nothing I can do about it right now because it will not play ball unless I wash it. And I don't have time to wash it. So, hair rant over. However, I know how horrific it is looking. We're going to try and do more of a distance camera type shot today. None of this. No, this is good zone. This is, good's probably a little bit too out there. This is okay zone. Right, anyway, in today's vlog, so a couple of people have asked me, or majority of people who come around to my place, and I do invites only, FYI. No, just dropping over. No, I'm just joking. Have just kind of mentioned about and asked about things that I have in my flat and stuff like that. And so I thought, why not do a flat vlog? So I'm just going to just kind of go over some things if people are looking for inspiration and things, not knowing if they're going to add things into their own place or not, and what makes me choose what I choose. Hopefully this might come in handy for some people. And also bed making. So I'm not saying I'm the best bed maker in the world, but I do love a good, well-made bed. So I'm going to show you how I make my bed, how I dress my bed, because I like it to be quick and easy though. I can't be dealing with 5,000 cushions and a throw on a throw and a fold back and then a neatly positioned cuddly toy or something on the side, and who's got time for that? I just like it to be looking like it's been well put together, but in a very quick and effective manner. Ain't no one got no time for that. So let's get started. I'm going to start with showing you a couple of the items that I have purchased and my newest purchase. So let's go to the lounge. Alrighty, we're coming into the lounge. I was trying to make this sound like a David Attenborough type thing when he, you know, when they say it's kind of stealth-like and they're going to go onto an animal in the safari or wherever in the, I was going to say the outback. That's Australia. That's not Africa. So anyway, point being, this is my latest purchase. So it's my vase, which I absolutely love. So it's of, as you can see, a half-naked lady's figure. And if you turn it around, oh yeah, the bum is on show. That's how we like it. So I really just love this. I think it's just a really cute, fun kind of vase, and also very sexy. So these are fake, but you can obviously put in whatever you like or just leave it as is. But yeah, I really like this, and so I was just like, do you know what? I need this in my flat. It's just a really fun vibe, and I have it on my marble table as well. So it fits in with the white flecks as well, and then the black contrast. It just really works, I think. So that is my new purchase, as I said, of my Naked Woman vase. And as you will see in a lot of these things that I've purchased, I love looking and having just random items around and things which are kind of more of a statement piece as well. So let's go to my table. So I'm not trying to say I was the first person to purchase one of these, of course, but at the time the only ones I could find online were so ridiculously expensive, like ridiculously expensive. I'm talking about £200 for a bowl. I haven't got £200 to spend on a bowl. So I was like, no. And I almost gave up on this. I really did, because I just couldn't find anything which was cheaper. And then I was walking down the streets of London and there was a home shop. I thought I'd been to every single home shop going, and obviously I hadn't. So I just popped into this home shop and I found this bowl because I was really particular. I wanted the black rim. The black rim. With the grey, and finally found it. So yeah, and then I just popped some moss in it, and I love it, and it's really nice kind of texture and bouncy and fluffy. So I usually just have to spray it once a week. If I'd put it in the bathroom or somewhere like that, obviously because of the condensation, probably would have been okay, but I do tend to spray it around once a week and to give it its bounce. So that is my bowl, and then I'm gonna lead you to the bathroom. Well, one of, I say one of like I've got a lot. I don't, I only have 2. So let's not get too excited. And I am very about practicality, of course, but I do like some things which are a little bit jokey, like with the bum vase and stuff like that. I don't like to take it all too seriously. So I found this and found it highly amusing. So I thought I would purchase this and pop it in the toilet. But then everything else around my toilet is pretty, you know, pretty chill. I went on a family holiday and we found these stones and stuff and was like, they're pretty nice and pretty cool. So I just popped them on the side of the bath like so. And it kind of just gives an extra little cute edge to it all. Yeah, I just like to add kind of random things in, I was gonna say random places, I don't know if they're that random though. And then as you go from my front door down the corridor, this table was it's kind of half creation. So basically the legs of these tables were at my brother and my sister-in-law's wedding. So her family, or a member of her family, I think it's her uncle, is an amazing welder and made these beautiful stands so they could have the flowers at the tables like draping off of the stand, so it wasn't going to be in people's way to kind of be able to talk around them. So they had those gold stands and then they had beautiful flowers coming off of them, so it was really pretty. But then afterwards, obviously my sister-in-law had all these stands available. So I didn't know what I was going to do with it at the time. I was like, I will absolutely take them because they're stunning. So I took 2 and then I was like, what can I do with these stands? Hence where the idea of a table came in. I knew I wanted like a wood on the top, and I decided to Google and find in my local area somewhere that I could find just pieces of wood. Didn't actually realize that it would be as expensive as it was, but that's okay. Some things are worth the investment. And I found this beautiful piece of wood that you see here, and they were able to cut it down for me. So it was a few £100, but absolutely worth it. I love like the knots and the roughness in it as well. I think it just adds to the texture. And I just left it as was, and you can see it's kind of jaggedy around there, cut out and stuff, and I just love how natural it looks. So decided to use it, as you can see, as a side table, and then just pop some books and stuff. I use this little piece, a hand, as my key holder, as you will see there. Oh, there we go. So I know where my keys are held every day. Then wanted just some sort of extra flower arrangement like this, just to give it a bit more height and depth, because everything otherwise was really low. So yes guys, that's the hallway, and then leading through to the, I was gonna say boudoir, but that makes it sound really sleazy. So anyway, to the bedroom, where I'm gonna show you how I make my bed. Hey guys, I hope you're gonna be able to see this. I'm trying to juggle the camera at a good angle for the bed making shoot. So you will see what I mean. And I like to have these pillows in the center of the bed, so it just all lines up really nicely. And voila! Within a few minutes, the bed is made. Like I said, if I was going to be really pedantic, I would raise that pillow higher because that's really annoying. But yeah, this is a quick and easy way to make your bed, and I think it just looks so much nicer when you come into a room and a bed is made and it looks a lot more inviting. It's just like, come lie on me. I'm just going to show you a couple of my favorite pictures that I purchased. So I can't remember where I got all these pictures from or anything like that, unfortunately, because it's been quite a while. But I love this one. What I do regret is that I didn't put it somewhere which I could have had a bit further away, because you can see this gold flecks in this one and you don't really get to see it because it's in the hallway. You need it to be at a further kind of distance. So I do regret that one. I should have thought about that one quicker or beforehand. And I just want to show you as well my quick and easy way of getting to my jewelry sometimes. So in between the shelf and the pillar, decided to put some hanging racks so then I can just hang my necklaces. And what I love is when you first walk in, you don't even notice it until you get to the section. Guys, I hope a couple of these things that I've shown you might have inspired you, might have realised that you don't need to have everything super serious in your place, and it is about adding texture and adding just some fun elements to your home. Until next week, I will speak to you later. Bye.